Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. On this occasion, I would like to present my final exam project for reading for academic purposes. My name is Maya Sylvia Duriani from the English Education Study Program Pekalongan University. The presentation is an article review entitled Indonesian EFL Learners' Perception of ChatGPT Translation Readability in Translating English Literacy Text. In this presentation, I will answer all the profile questions related to the article, including the article identity, research objective, methodology, finding, and its usefulness for me as an English education student. Number 1. What is the title of the article? The title of the article is Indonesian EFL Learners' Perception of ChatGPT Translation Readability in Translating English Literacy Text. The title shows that the study focuses on EFL learners' perception, especially on how readable ChatGPT translation is translating English literacy text. Number 2. Article information. The article was written by Lukman Rushidi, Anam Sutopo, and Dwi Haryanti, who are affiliated with Muhammadiyah Surakarta University, Indonesia. The corresponding email is roshidilukman@gmail.com. The article was published in Tel Teaching of English Language and Literature Journal, Volume 30, Number 2 in 2025 and can be accessed through the official telejournal website. Number 3. Information for the abstract. Based on the abstract, the study investigates EFL learners' perception of ChatGPT translation readability. The researchers used a descriptive qualitative method involving 18 EFL learners from a literacy community. Data were collected through document analysis, questionnaires, and focus group discussion. The findings show the ChatGPT translation is generally readable with an average score 268. Although some problems such as grammatical errors, awkward expressions, and untranslated were found. Number 4. Research objective and importance. The objectives of this research were to measure the readability of ChatGPT, translation of English literacy text, and to explore learners' perception of the translated text. This research is important because provides studies mainly focus on translation accuracy, not readability. Literacy text readability is crucial because it affects readers' understanding and engagement. The study also helps students use all tools more critically. 5. Difference from previous research. This research is different because it focuses on readability, not only translation accuracy. It uses ChatGPT instead of Google Translate and analyze literacy texts, which are more complex. The participants come from a literacy community rather than formal classroom, making the results more reader-oriented. Number 6. Theories used. Putrawan states that translation is still important in EFL learning to help learners understand foreign language texts. Bainborn et al. Explained the second language learners often face difficulty when reading complex texts, especially literacy ones. Rahma mentioned that learning English is motivated not only by academic needs but also by personal interests such as reading literature. Number 7. Research method. The researchers used a descriptive qualitative method. This method was chosen because it allowed any deep exploration of learners' perception and experience, which is suitable for analyzing readability. Number 8. Research subject. The subject were 18 EFL learners from Converted Creative, a literacy community in Cepu. They come from various backgrounds such as students, teachers, lecturers, translators, and writers, and all had strong interest in literacy text. Number 9. Data collection and analysis. Data were collected through document analysis, questionnaires, and focus group discussion. The translated text was analyzed sentence by sentence. Readability was measured using Nabaman's 3-scale system, while qualitative data were analyzed using thematic analysis. Number 10. Useful for me as an English education student. After reading the article, I learned that ChatGPT can help in translation, but I still has limitation, especially in literary texts. Although the translation is generally readable, errors and unnatural expressions still occur. This research reminds me to use AI critically and not rely on it blindly. In conclusion, this study showed that ChatGPT can be a useful tool for translating English literary text in terms for readability, but is not perfect. Several issues such as grammatical error, awkward expression, and missing translation indicate that human evaluation is still necessary. For me, as an English education student, this research emphasizes the importance of combining AI technology with critical thinking to support effective learning and future practice. Of my presentation, thank you very much for attention.